Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. It is Thursday, June 5th. This is the daily frame. It's 9:27, by the way, about 2.5 minutes away from the open. Daily frame, NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow. And as you can see, I have these rectangles here. And just illustrating this prior wick, prior high on the Dow, and how we have just spiked up unused just, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes ago. I think it was talks with China or something, some Trump news as usual. It'll spike up and then back into that rectangle again. But we are poised here to go significantly higher or to falter. We'll see. Today, of course, is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is NFP Friday, non-farm payrolls, and often we will have a meandering or manic day prior to the non-farm payroll Friday. And today, of course, being that Thursday, could be that day. We certainly had a very interesting London session, as you can see here on the 30-minute chart. You can see the very first candle of London after a very sleepy Asia pushed up very strong. Then we had two more up candles and then sold back, gave all of that back, and then this big spike whipping huge wide-ranging candle on negative news down, positive news up, and then sitting back here just about the middle of the span of travel, in fact, of not only that range but of that wide-ranging 30-minute candle. Anybody's guess here, guys, on the open. There's that up day on the daily, of course, hitting those new interim highs temporarily, but pulling back into range. And there's that funny looking 1-minute candle as a result of what I just explained. The big push up there on London, these big whipping actions here, and showing the Asian open range and the London open range, which were basically identical, by the way. And now we're about to open here on New York. There's the 1-minute open range, guys, about 36 points on the NASDAQ and just under 6 points on the S&P. I will be super patient as usual here, guys. Not chasing, nothing frantic, no panic, just waiting for the right setup or not trading. My default is no trades unless the market gives me no choice. And pushing down here initially, guys, inside of this 30-minute range. So we have an up day, but back in range. That can be a bearish sign overall. But we are range bound on this 30-minute. Just pushing below VWAP here on the two sisters. Nothing to do here, guys. Still very nondescript behavior. We have up days in new high territory, or we were in new high territory here on the NASDAQ and the S&P. We actually broke yesterday's high, but now down below yesterday's low on the Dow, interestingly enough. But fading fast here, so anybody's guess. Just bringing out a marker here, guys. All right, sell stop order, guys. Sell stop order. Stop above this pivot here. This candle that closed outside of the open range and below both EMAs after an attempt back higher again. The reality is, guys, this push to new highs and immediate rejection and pull back into range is a very bearish sign, despite the strength of an up day in new high territory earlier. This push up here, guys, on positive news into a clean traffic range and immediate reversal and rejection is a very bearish sign, despite the initial bullish move. Bullish moves that fail to continue on a key market open are bearish signs. And I'm in, guys. I am in. Short the NASDAQ. And now it's the waiting game. And target 1 has been hit, guys, and so the 1-hour all-or-nothing trader has left the game, and the 2-hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has moved their stop to break even. Why am I short, guys? Hopefully it's fairly self-explanatory, but a new high that fails immediately is bearish. A break into a clean traffic range on very bullish news or apparently bullish news and failure back into range and reversal, wide-ranging candle is a very bearish sign. Breaking below open range, 9 below 21, EMAs outside of the open range, This is all saying going lower, toss the coin, call heads. All right, guys, I'm back, and as you can see, we are pulling back here. It looks like we're going to come back all the way to the original stop loss order, but we have a break even, a 1-hour winner, and 2 1-hour charges here for the most aggressive traders. The reason I track these 4 models, guys, is so that you can see how the various models operate under these current conditions and then decide what works for you. I always track based on the furthest target reached and simply report the results. And you can make some informed decisions on that basis by going through my various trades and videos and seeing what model might be most appropriate for your own purposes. And there it is, guys. Thanks for joining me. Appreciate you. Hope you have an amazing afternoon, and we will talk to you soon.